Today we are going to see about the muscles of the nerves that supply the upper limb. The nerve that we are going to see is the median nerve. The median nerve root value is the ventral rami of these C5 to C8 and T1 of the spinal cord, and it is formed by the lateral root and medial root of the median and lateral nerve. And then in the axillary part, it lies lateral to the axillary artery, and whereas in the mid of the arm it crosses the brachial artery, and it lies medial to the brachial artery, and in the cuboidal fossa it is the most medial part that you can or most medial structure that you can see in the cuboidal fossa. It leaves the cuboidal fossa by supplying the three flexor muscles, and it enters the forearm by piercing the pronator teres, and in the forearm it lies between the flexor digitorum superficialis and flexor digitorum profundus, and in near at the end of the forearm it lies deep or lateral to the palmaris longus tendon, and where in the wrist it lies deep to the flexor retinaculum, and after entering the palm it enters medial to the thenar muscles, and it enters and divides into medial and lateral. This you can see is the branches of the median nerve. It divides into medial and lateral branches. Lateral branch supplies the four muscles, and medial branch supplies only one muscle. Lateral branch also supplies the lateral 3/2 of the digits, and they are nail blades. The muscles that the lateral branch supplies are the thenar muscles and the first lumbrical, whereas the lateral branch supplies only first lumbrical, whereas in forearm it supplies all the anterior compartment of the muscles except flexor carpi ulnaris, and even the flexor profundus, flexor digitorum profundus, it only supplies the lateral half of the muscle, whereas the medial half is supplied by the other muscle, so it is called as the hybrid muscle.